Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by going straight to Settings so you can remove the voice command quickly. Once in Settings, tap Accessibility or Voice Controls. This is where the feature hides. Make sure you're on the correct device profile if multiple users exist. If prompted, enter your PIN or authenticate. This prevents accidental changes. Now that you've reached the voice settings page, pause briefly to note the current state. You'll toggle or remove the command in the next step. You will now disable the voice command directly. Toggle off voice recognition or speech to text. If options exist, choose remove or delete for any custom commands or wake words so they don't reactivate. Make sure to revoke microphone and assistant permissions in App Permissions to block background listening. Once done, restart the voice settings page to confirm changes. You should see the feature marked disabled. If the device has multiple assistant apps, finish by rebooting your device so settings fully apply and temporary caches clear. After the restart, test by speaking the former wake word. You should get no response. If the assistant still activates, go back to voice settings and perform a reset voice settings or update system firmware to patch persistent behavior. As a single troubleshooting tip, revoke microphone permission and test again. If silence follows, the issue is permissions related. If not, factory reset voice settings carefully after backing up important data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.